What's up, YouTube? Another delivery today. This time it's an IMEX Samurai short course truck. You might have seen this before. It's also known as the VRX Blast, and I believe Helion makes a version of this, but don't quote me to that. Anyway, it's four-wheel drive, ready to run. I got the brushed edition. That's brushless specifications right there. So I've already unboxed it. Let's look at here's the brushed specifications. Big bore shocks, 45 amp, 550. It's got CVDs. It's got metal diffs, and in the description on eBay or Amazon, I don't remember which one I got this from, it said it had full metal gears. We'll find out. I know it's got metal diffs because I can hear them. We'll see if it's got a metal spur gear. But anyway, here it is. I got the green one. I guess it's random. They have green, orange, and red. It's nice looking. The body seems thick. It's Lexan. That's Lexan. You can tell. So that's a good thing so far. I had this next to my Torment a minute ago, and it is just as long and actually a little bit wider, maybe quarter inch, maybe a little longer than that. So this is a good size short course truck. So let's take the lid off. Okay, first thing we notice is it's got a dust cover, and that's a good thing. So you got your shell, and you also have another cover here. I've already removed the clips, the pins, so that comes off just like that. So that's a good feature right there. I'm happy about that. Okay, we've got metal chassis brace. We've got what it looks like to be, yeah, those are the big bore shocks. They're plastic body with aluminum cap, upper and lower cap. Sway bars. Nice. These sway bars look nice. Those are nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty plush. They can always be adjusted, but yeah, that feels pretty good. These bumpers, they have hinges right here for crashing, and they bend. They're really pliable. That's nice. So we've got I think it was a 6 kg, maybe an 8. Don't hold me to that. I gotta look that up. And we got a servo saver there. Let's see. Looks like we've got a pivot. I can't see really in there right now. Yeah, are those CVDs? It said it had CVDs, or they call them universals. Let's see. Yep. It's got CVDs in the front. So that's good. So we've got big bores, CVDs, and sway bars. Nice. Okay, so I'm not sure what kind of ESC this is, but it's 45 amp. It's running the Molex, which I really don't like. Comes with a nickel metal. I'll probably run it on the nickel metal, and then I'll run on 2S And then I'm swapping in a brushless system for this. So we've got the receiver box here. It looks like it's waterproof or water resistant at least. A 550 turbo speed. I don't know the turns on that. And I believe it's a 17 tooth pinion. Like I said, it had a plastic spur. Even though the website said it had a metal spur, that's not a big deal because you can get a metal spur for that. This is very similar. The chassis is very similar to my Marauder. The setup's real similar to slipper clutch. It's got a slipper right there. The only difference really is this transmission is exposed right here. The spur gear and the pinion and the Marauder's enclosed with the sight glass, which is a really good feature. But then again, this does have a dust cover, so it's not going to be completely exposed when you got your cover on. So moving to the back. So we've got rear sway bars as well. And big bore shocks in the back as well. These also bend. Look at that. That's nice. That's a good feature right there. So these tires, they're sticky. They feel real sticky. So that's a good thing. Just looks like standard short course size. What would that be, like a 1.9 or something like that? They seem good. They seem like you could ply them. They're pliable too, so they're not going to crack. That's a good thing. Yeah. So this was $99.99 and plus shipping. I thought it was a great deal, even for being brushed, because you're getting an aluminum chassis, you're getting aluminum upper mount, you're getting big bore shocks, you're getting sway bars, CVDs. You know, all the components are separate. You're not getting like a 2-in-1 or a 3-in-1, so you can just swap this all out real quick and you can keep your servo. It's full size. There is hop-up parts for this. I mean, like I said, VRX makes a version of this, and I think it's Helion. But like I said, don't hold me to that. But I've seen 2 other versions. And $100. I mean, come on. Can't beat that. I'm digging these too, and if they bend, they're easy to replace. So it's all hex. It's got all hex hardware, and that's another plus. With me, I like hex. Let's put the body back. Excuse me, quick. Okay, it comes with, you know, your basic manual, of course, and a bind plug, and you get your nickel metal wall charger, and a decent looking remote. I've never seen one like this one before. It's got all the stuff you need right here: steering trim, dual rates, throttle trim, your reversing. Seems fine. That's plastic though. There's no foam on that. It's a little bit small. Seems fine. I'm sure it takes 4. Looks like it takes 4. It's 2.4 gigahertz though. No complaints. Comes with it. And like I said, get your manual. Blah blah blah. Oh, it's got all the views though, so that's good. Exploded views on how everything works. It's not a bad setup at all. I got aluminum parts right here, a bunch of hop-up parts. Yeah, this is a cool rig for $100, man. I don't think there's any other short courses that even come close. The only other 4x4 short course that's around this price that's brushed is the Force RC, and that's garbage. I mean, it's not garbage, but I had the Himoto Tonto, and it's the same chassis, the same layout, and the shock towers broke on that thing on the first jump. No, the wing broke on the first jump, and the shock towers broke on the second jump. The plastic's so brittle. Now, again, with a short course body over the shock towers, they're kind of protected. But the buggy version I had, the Himoto Tonto, which I sent back because I don't normally send stuff back. I normally just replace things. But I drove it one time out front, I took it out back, and I jumped it, broke. Jumped it one more time, broke. You know, and they weren't really hard lands. I wasn't jumping crazy, and the dirt back there is pretty soft. So I took that back. Anyway, so the competition for this would be a Force RC, and it's actually $30 more than this. And you're getting a bunch of plastic, which is light. This is going to be heavier because you're getting the big bore shocks, you're getting the aluminum chassis, aluminum bracing, and all that kind of stuff. But you're getting this body's real thick. It's a nice Lexan body. You're getting better tires. They're super grippy. You're getting a better chassis. You're getting a better car. You're getting sway bars. You're getting pliable materials. This is twice the car for less money than the competition, which would be like a Force RC or maybe even a blackout short course truck. And I'm talking about the brushed versions. But you know me, this won't stay brushed for long. So stay tuned. I've got a nickel metal charged. We're going to go drive on nickel metal real quick, just out front, and then we'll put on a 2S out front, and then the next few days I'll swap it over to a brushless. I'm probably going to go 43 kV. Just 3650, 43 kV, I think is what I'll do. And a 60 amp. So stay tuned for that. Peace.